Good morning, this is MetLoop meteorologist Dave Elliott with your weather update for Monday, October the 17th. Starting out with the national satellite and radar loop, it's a relatively calm morning out there for most of the country with high pressure dominating the southern two-thirds. However, we do have a frontal boundary that's sort of draped across the northern tier, extending from New England back into the Great Lakes region, where we're seeing some thunderstorms and rain showers at the moment, and then back through the Dakotas and the central Rocky Mountains. And taking a look at the current temperatures, we're seeing a bit more moderate than we've seen in recent days with that strong high pressure pulling warmer air up into the southern portions of the country. Out in the west, we're continuing to see cooler temperatures with lows down in the lower 30s in the higher elevations of the Rockies especially. I don't expect too much change in this pattern for the next 24 hours. However, tomorrow afternoon we'll start seeing those cooler temperatures creeping southward as another strong cold front drops down from Canada. In fact, by the end of the week, we'll be seeing lows in the 40s down as far south as our location here in the Florida Panhandle. For the day today, we will see some spotty thunderstorm activity in areas of the Gulf Coast states as a result of daytime heating and plenty of available moist air pushing in from the Gulf. The areas most likely to see this thunderstorm activity will be the central peninsula of Florida, down into southern Louisiana and Mississippi. However, we aren't expecting to see anything particularly severe out of this activity. However, along that frontal boundary that I mentioned earlier up in the north, we will see thunderstorms firing up through the day today. The highest potential for severe storms will be in an area from eastern South Dakota over into the northern half of Wisconsin. Primary things we'll be watching out for are large hail and strong winds associated with these storms. So if you're in that area, please keep an eye on the sky and stay safe. A little further west along that frontal boundary, we will see some strong winds and some areas with some heavy snowfall, particularly in the higher elevations of the central Rockies today. Parts of Yellowstone in northwestern Wyoming and higher elevations in Montana and Idaho could see anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of the white stuff, while wind gusts could go from anywhere from 50 to 65 miles per hour from southeast Idaho across southern Wyoming and down into northern Mexico as that front interacts with the mountains and really kicks up those westerly winds. Again, please be safe if you're in that area. And that's your U.S. Outlook for today. Hope you have a great weather day wherever you are, and be sure to follow MetLoop on Facebook and Twitter for all the latest and most accurate weather information.